Hey Gemini, welcome back to your weekly reading. And we have to look on what's going on in your personal and in your professional life for the 17th of Jan to the 23rd, right? Take whatever it resonates and leave the rest in behind. I see the new beginning is here. So let's get some messages and what's going on in your personal life, right? Bottom of the deck, you have Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, there may be definitely a new beginning is here, maybe financially or maybe in a relationship sector, right? There is a new beginning. Just let's go back. Okay. The Tower, something unexpected or the life-changing image is coming for you. With the Tower is here. Queen of Swords, yeah. This is your energy, or maybe the Aquarius energy. You may be dealing with Aquarius, or so what I feel like you may be standing in your truth that what you want in yourself, and I feel like lots of communication is here. Communication is the main factor in this relationship or what's going on in your personal life. So Five of Cups, definitely I feel like whoever you may be dealing with, I feel like Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer, or maybe Gemini, Aquarius, Libra energy. And I feel like for lots of you, this is the past events and you letting go these things. So I feel like for lots of you may be dealing with somebody else and things are hidden in the which is come to light and suddenly it's out of the blue, right? This is some messages is coming for you. I feel like one type of communication on you are getting some type of message with the past experience or past person, or maybe you are currently dealing with something is hidden, and I feel like this has come to light unexpectedly suddenly with the Tower is here, right? So the Sun is here. Yeah, definitely this is for some of you I feel like whatever is coming to light suddenly is giving you the joy, abundance. The Sun is here, Leo energy, and I feel like it giving the some kind of joy. Or for some of you I see that removing the toxicity and abundance is coming for you. Definitely this is a positive sign. If you're getting some kind of negative or that type of message that you don't want, because I see that this message is come out of the blue, right? And the outcome is very good with the Sun is here, right? It gives you the purity, it gives you the stability in your life, joy, happiness, right? Eight of Swords, definitely you are worrying a lot, and I feel like for lots of you in a recent situation, I feel like you have lots of chaos, conflict going on, which burdens you, right? So you are overthinking, or you may be stuck in this situation that what is coming, it's already some of you I feel like it's already happened in your life, and suddenly some things come to light out of the blue, and this give you the benefit, the joy and happiness, or some kind of fulfillment. I feel like for lots of you it causes you some kind of worry, anxiety, or you may be stuck that what was hidden, it's coming to light, and that's why you are ready now, ready to go. This is a very beautiful thing, and you are ready to go and letting go this toxicity, and you are moving towards the joy, happiness, new beginning in your life. Or you may be dealing with the Leo energy, right? The Fool, yeah, definitely you are taking a leap of faith that and having this joy victory in yourself, right? And the Temperance, yeah, Sagittarius energy. I feel there's a lots of Leo or fire sign, and you may be dealing with some kind of person. And for lots of you, I see that you are balancing things and you wanting to balancing things out for this week. And I hope lots of you may be worry, anxiety, or you are letting go this toxicity. And this is the major arcana, so what you feel. The Fool, by taking a leap of faith towards the new abundance, new life, the joy, right? And this is the Temperance. You are patiently waiting for this to happen, and this is going to suddenly happen in your life, and you are ready to move by letting go this toxicity, right? Eight of Wands, I feel like for lots of you, you are holding back to taking a leap of faith, right? Because this has come out of the blue energy, and I feel like you may be taking a leap of faith, and but you are holding. Seven of Wands, see the Eight of Wands and Seven of Wands. Yeah, I feel like you are holding back. That's why you are making a stronger boundaries and protect yourself by this persons, by this people who may be sabotaged in some kind of way, right? Oh, definitely you are getting a messages. Ace of Swords, yeah. But definitely there is a clarity within the situation. You see the clarity and you truth for and you stand for your truth. And what I feel like there is then again a new era is coming for you, or you are letting go this person or letting go the past you and becoming the you by learning a new lessons in your life, right? So let's get some oracle messages. Okay, Gemini. Lots of. So you have worthiness. Know your worth. The universe can only bring you what you know you deserve. You can have it all. So you are knowing your worth by standing on your ground and having a leap of faith towards a new victory, right? I like you, someone likes you. Yeah, there may be some kind of new beginning is for, or maybe the new person is coming for you, and this person is romance is blooming, fun flirting. Yeah, you may be fun flirting with this energy, but I feel like you may be dealing with some kind of Leo, or the Leo person is coming in your life, right? So whatever keys, you have many options. Keys on a ring, you have many options. Unconditional, you have to make a decision regarding what you want in your life. So Gemini, that's all for the relationship sector. So let's have a look on what's going on in your, have a look on what's going on in your career and financial sector, right? Let's say your overall message is two of wands. So you have to make a choice regarding which path you want to take in your life, right? So let's cut the deck and see. Okay. You have ace of pentacles. Definitely there is a new beginning or new kind of opportunity is coming for you. Page of wands, page of cups. Yeah, some kind of new opportunity, or you have new idea related to your finances, right? High priestess. Yeah, that's why you are tapping here in your intuition. So Gemini, what I see that you have new idea regarding your financial conditions. Yeah, you have some kind of new idea, or you are starting a new plan. Page of Cups is here, or maybe new business venture you are wanting to start, and you are tapping your intuition, because I feel like you are focusing on Pentacles to start a beginning in your life, right? What else? The death. Yeah, definitely I see that you may be letting go the old behavior, old pattern, and that's not fulfilling you. I feel like you may be ending something in your financial sector and beginning a new one by tapping into your intuition, and you have lots of options or lots of ideas, right? Free of source. So what I feel like, for some of the Gemini in a recent past, I see that whatever you're planning for the financial condition, I see that it's breaks your heart, right? I feel like lots of pain, sorrow regarding, and I see the financial loss too, right? And that's why you are clearing a boundaries, and yeah, you are taking a reset button, you are pressing the reset button, and by tapping your intuition to beginning a new chapter in your life, in your financial condition, right? Ace of wands. So definitely you are passionate about uh, to carry your ideas in your financial sector. I see that for lots of you may be in a business and some kind of business venture, and you have to taking a leap of faith, and you have lots of ideas. The ace is two aces here, page is here, but you have to lacking something. I feel like your past experience holding you back, some kind of disagreement, and you are maybe dealing with some kind of financial loss, and that's why your main focus is on beginning a new chapter with your financial condition, right? And you are very passionate to apply these things, right? And six of cups, definitely. What I feel like, maybe in the past you applied these things, whatever you have new ideas, or you ending these things in the past, but I feel like it was too late for that, and that's why you have lots of idea regarding what you apply in the past situation. And the six of swords, that six of cups is say that you have lots of maybe ideas and want to apply that, but it's too late for that, right? And that's why you are beginning a new chapter in your life by tap into your intuition, and you have to ending the old cycles with yourself to beginning the new one. Four of swords, and that's why you are resting right now and making plans to such a things. Yeah, you are making plans regarding what you want in your life, right? And that's why you are resting, relaxation, what I see that. Or for lots of you, I feel like you may be in some kind of illusion in the recent past, or in this situation, and that's why it heartbreaks the situation you wanted to allow in your life. This is not happened, right? And it turns you some kind of disagreement or some kind of pain, sorrow, grief, right? The letting go of grief by death is here. I feel like you completely letting go the old behavior, old pattern in your financial condition and beginning a new one, right? So let's get some oracle messages and see. What else for Gemini? What else for Gemini? Okay, lots of. The runner. Runner in a codependent relationship, fear of intimacy, and listening to ego. Yeah, what I feel like, maybe in a recent past, you have some kind of ego clashes between you and your colleagues, or you are taking action regarding these things, but your ego is in between them, right? Or maybe you are in a codependent relationship or any kind of financial strategy with your colleagues, with your who may be working for, right? And I see that this is the thing. Maybe you have lots of fear of intimacy with your financial condition. For lots of you, I see that you may be in a codependent relationship, and I feel that's why the whenever you wanting a whenever you see any type of defect in any kind of partnership, yeah, maybe you will be dealing with some kind of runner and codependent relationship, right? Your co-workers are not very, to be honest, I see that whoever you are dealing with, they are not right. I see that there is no teamwork in the recent past, or it may be in a current situation, and that's why you have lots of ego. Maybe they are not listening to you in some kind of way. Okay, what else? Okay, you have to engagement ring, eternity, partnership, commitment, and completion union. And yeah, and that's why you are making some big plans in your life by tapping your intuition. I see that maybe there is a, yeah, teamwork is required, or you maybe have lots of idea regarding what's going on in your personal life. I feel like I very sense that you may be dealing in some kind of business, right? And there may be a partnership is coming for you, and yeah, there may be a union or partnership is coming for you, which gives you the eternity love or the completion what you want in your life, right? And the photograph, looking at your photos, missing you, nostalgia, making new memories. Yeah, definitely you are heading towards the making new memories and letting go the past experience in your financial condition. And what I see that you may be in a recent past, there was so much pain and sorrow, grief here, and yeah, you are encouraging yourself, you are confident yourself, and you are looking at the bigger picture in the finance sector, and there is no type of nostalgia in your life anymore, right? And you are learned your lesson in the past experience to trusting the co-worker or some kind of runner on any type of dissatisfaction relationship, codependent relationship that I feel, what I see that, right? You may be listening to your ego that they may be not responsible for you, maybe they are not listening to you in the recent past, and that's why you are taking a chance, and you are taking the chance to letting go your old behavior, old pattern, to beginning a new memories and the commitment. I see that, right? So Gemini, that's all for this week. I hope it resonates to you. If it resonates, please hit the subscription button and the red bell icon for the notification and update. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.